blindfold being put over his head now. Daivari, he feels a little braver right now, doesn't he?
And Daivari now just making noise.
You know, Mr. McMahon is brilliant. When he announced this match, I was like, this is going to be great. But I didn't know it was going to be this great.
Can you believe this? This is the end of the match.
Here comes, like, am I getting warmer? Oh, cold, cold.
It's blind man's bluff is what it is.
This is great. You're right, Coach, this is great.
And Daivari now with the fans aiding the WWE Champion John Cena. Daivari's going to be running for his life.